Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn Chess. In this channel we are gonna learn chess, as the name of the channel is also Learn Chess. Today we are gonna learn about the chessboard. A chessboard has 64 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Let me show you like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So a chessboard has 64 squares. These squares that I am highlighting in red are called dark square. What are these squares called? Dark square. They are green. In some boards they are black, but they are called dark square. These squares that I am highlighting in red are called light square. Light square. They are white, but they are called light square. These white squares are called light squares. These lines what? These means the whole row of squares. Not in this, but in all of these. So the straight lines are called files. The straight lines are called files. Files. So these lines again, these means the whole row of squares. Not in this, but in all. The horizontal lines, these are called ranks. What are these lines called? Ranks. Ranks. These are called ranks. So my bad. These are files and these are ranks. These are files and these are ranks. So this is it about the chessboard. In the next video we are gonna learn about these pieces. You are saying these are white and black because two people play chess. One from the side of white and one from the side of black. So please like to my channel, subscribe to my channel and share this video and click on the bell icon. And this is it. Bye bye.